Oh no! Look at the coop!
The chickens will be cold.
We can fix this! Together!
Let's put this piece here.
Good idea.
Almost done. It looks much better already.
We did it, Pip.
The chickens look so happy. Almost finished here. I'll take this away. Here you go, everyone. Enjoy your breakfast.
So many eggs. Wow, so many.
Our first harvest.
Let's make breakfast.
I'm hungry.
Gotta be careful. Get those yolks all mixed up.
Hot, hot, hot.
Breakfast is served.
Delicious.
The best omelet ever.
Thank you, chickens.
That was a delicious breakfast.
Ready for our adventure, Hazel.
We're going on a grape hunt, going on a grape hunt.
We're here. Look at all the grapes. We have so many grapes.
To the market we go.
Let's arrange the grapes nicely.
Fresh grapes. Get your fresh grapes.
We sold almost all the grapes.
That was a long but fun day.
Home sweet home. Woohoo! Let's make something special with these. Carefully roll out the dough, Milo. Smells delicious. How much longer, Hazel? This is the best grape pie ever.
Once upon a time.
Good night, Milo.
Good morning, Hazel. Hazel?
Look, Oink, we're almost there. The biggest field on the farm.
It looks very big, Nimble. Are you sure it's safe?
Well, that's just perfect. The engine's completely seized up now.
Oh dear, what are we gonna do?
Oh, Monkey, what's that noise?
Okay, Oink, stand back. Whoa, what's all that steam?
Looks like a busted. See, the gasket's blown and the oil pressure is way down. We need to patch this before we go anywhere.
Oh dear, that sounds complicated. There we go, snug as a bug. That bolt won't cause any more trouble.
Oh, thank goodness. You're the best, Nimble.
All right, just gotta loop it over this last pulley here. See, Oink? It's all about the tension.
Oh dear, be careful.
And locked! Perfect fit!
I brought some oil to help.
Pour it slow and steady now. Almost full.
Oh, wonderful. It worked. Nice and smooth.
You fixed it, Monkey!
Are we almost there, Nimble? It's awfully bumpy.
Just a little further, Oink. We'll be there before sunset.
The dust is magnificent today.
Look at all this space. We could plant enough corn to feed the whole village. But Nimble, it's such a lot of work. Aha! It's this yellow bolt right here. Just needs a little twist.
Be careful, Nimble.
Almost there, Oink. Just a little more. And locked in.
Oh, my squeakness, it worked!
It worked!
We did it!
Hooray!
Oh, goody, we're moving.
Look, guys, we did it! The whole field is plowed and ready for planting.
Oh, Nimble.
It looks wonderful!
We make it. Let's get these carrots to the barn. These are some great carrots. They sure are the best. This doesn't sound good.
What's wrong, Monkey?
Looks like a dirty spark plug.
Gotta get this clean.
Almost there.
I'll hold the wheels steady.
Here we go.
And
We did it!
hooray! Hey!
Almost there. These carrots are heavy. That's a lot of carrots.
Let's get these nice and clean. Soup's almost ready.
Here la go, Panda. Here la go, Panda.
This
is delicious.
Gotta keep our teeth clean.
Time for bed.
Good night, Panda. Another beautiful day for harvesting.
Help!
Well, look what we have here. Need a lift, little guy?
Oh dear.
How to get her out? Just what I need. Hold still, little one.
Almost. There. Thank you.
You got it, little guy.
Come on, hop in.
Where are we going? Hi.
Wow, we made it. This is my place. Isn't it great?
It's nice, but I'm really messy.
All clean now.
Wow, that smells good. Here is some cabbage and rice. I'm glad you like it.
Let me help with the dishes.
We'll have this done in no time.
Wow, look how clean it is. We did a great job, didn't we?
Yes, we did. It sparkles. This is a good book. Teddy, tag book.
There you go, all tucked in nice and cozy. Sweet dreams, little guy.
Thank you.
Wow, Lily, look at all these kiwis. We're gonna have a great harvest. These are so heavy. Are you sure we can carry them all? Oh no! I'm so sorry, Coco.
Fresh kiwis. Get your fresh kiwis here.
I'll take a dozen, please.
I'll take a dozen, please.
We made so much.
That was a long day, but it was worth it. Let's make a kiwi salad. A little mint, a little dressing. Perfect. This is the best kiwi salad ever. That was delicious!
I'll wash, you dry.
Sounds like a plan.
All clean.
Once upon a time, in a faraway land. Yawn, I'm getting sleepy. Clean up, everybody. Let's clean up. Blocks go here, cushions go there. Ta-da! All done. Almost bedtime. 1 button, 2 butter, all done. Now for the comfy blue stars. Sleepy time. Let's get this garden ready for planting. We're making good progress. Each seed holds a promise of good things to come. Just the right amount of water for our little seeds.
Gotta keep these weeds away from our plants.
Good job keeping the bugs away, Monkey. Look, Panda, the seeds are sprouting. It's so peaceful watching them grow. Our hard work paid off.
Let's go home and cook a delicious meal.
A little bit more spice, maybe?
Almost ready to eat.
This is the best meal ever!
I know.
What a purple day.
Time for bed. Wow, look at that! Isn't it beautiful, Panda?
It really is, Little. A perfect morning.
I wonder how much the plants have grown.
We did a great job.
What should we plant next season?
Oh, definitely the giant sunflowers.
And maybe some carrots.
Thank you for watching. Look at all these peaches, Pat.
Wow.
Almost got it. You can do it, Tim.
These peaches are perfect.
So juicy.
Careful with the peaches, Pat.
I've got it.
We're almost there. I hope we sell them all. Presentation is key, Pat. Okay, like this? These peaches look delicious.
The best in the market.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Enjoy. We sold them all, Pat. We did it. 1 bag of rice, please.
Here you go.
A small bag of beans, please.
Certainly.
We got everything we need. Time for a good meal. Smells delicious, Pat. Just a pinch of this.
Is the best.
Thank you for cooking, Tim. That was a long day. Yes, a good day.
Wait, Pat.
Good night, Pat. Good night, Tim. Pat.
Morning, Tim.
What should we do today, Pat?
Maybe we can pick berries? These berries are so sweet.
I found some really big ones. Here you go, have some berries. Enjoy.
Another beautiful day.
Yes, full of friends and good times.
Home sweet home, Pat.
Indeed, Tim. The best place in the world.